Welcome back with a little bit of a change on the way. Scattered showers, perhaps a thunder shower in the forecast through this evening, perhaps overnight through daybreak tomorrow. But rain chances aren't going to be too terribly high, and most of us should miss out on any severe weather threats. So that is the good news there. So let's get over to the Key Wall, talk about this weather system. And it is a higher end producer of severe weather once again from the Midwest down through Tennessee and then into the south, including portions of Mississippi, Alabama. Look at all we have the tornado watches going, a number of tornado warnings for the Huntsville area. I was watching my friend Brad out here, just keeping his folks updated online, and it is hitting pretty hard. That's Brad Travis over in Huntsville. And then another strong storm system, another supercell thunderstorm producing the possibility of damaging winds, isolated tornadoes, and another one that just missed south and east of the Greenville area heading into Mississippi. And then closer to home, well, we have a couple of things going on. Severe thunderstorm watch for the northwestern and northern part of the state. That's till 9 o'clock tonight. And then a tornado watch that was issued about 20 minutes or so ago for the northeastern part of the state on northeastward, and that's valid till midnight. And we do have this one supercell storm in the northern part of the state right now that it is a tornado warned storm here. A lot of cloud to ground lightning, and there is the possibility of rotation and the possibility of tornado maybe just north and east of the Gina area. We'll see how it plays out in the next half hour or so, but if you know anybody up that way, tell them to take cover. Meanwhile, there was another pretty hefty cell and another one that's just recently developed southeast Texas, but in both instances, whether stuff's moving eastward or stuff drops southward, we have a more stable atmosphere across the area, so we're not expecting a whole lot in the way of strong storms, maybe some showers, and that's what we're seeing right now south of Ville Platte over by Opelousas. A couple of showers here showing up, and again, this is just that anvil, the cirrus blow-off from that thunderstorm activity back to the west that we just showed you. Again, that high level moisture streaming across the sky, mostly as cirrus clouds. And again, those few other showers closer to home. Big picture, there's that severe weather threat that is a slim, marginal severe weather risk. Southwest Louisiana does include the northern parishes of Acadiana. Then you can see the levels of threat go up higher where we have those severe thunderstorm watches and tornado watches going, including the warnings. So here's the HRRR model here showing us showers and storms through this evening impacting central Louisiana, then getting into northern Acadiana. Notice how the activity weakens. Maybe a few spotty showers around the I-10 corridor around midnight tonight. Maybe one or two spotty showers first thing in the morning, and then some lingering cloud cover will hold our temperatures in the mid-80s. But more importantly, the dew point's coming down, so it's going to feel better going into tomorrow morning, especially into tomorrow night. That front, though, comes back northward as a warm front with time, and we'll see temperatures getting back more than likely into the upper 80s, pushing 90 perhaps on Thursday. Temperature-wise tonight, low to mid-70s. Tomorrow will favor mid-80s, so that is a little bit of a break. 89 was the high today. Tomorrow night, upper 60s to lower 70s, and then going into Thursday afternoon, upper 80s to near 90 degrees. So overnight tonight, we'll go with the 73 for our low, 30% chance of scattered showers, possibly a thunderstorm. Wind shift out of the north by late tonight. Then for tomorrow, after an early morning risk of a shower or thunder shower, partly cloudy skies and less humid weather. Should be a nice day, and as we head into Thursday, Friday, nice days, but getting a little bit hotter. Still haven't hit 90 so far this year, but we have our shot later this week or into the weekend. Rain chances up the ante as we go into next week with a little bit more unsettled weather, but could be cooler at the end of that 10-day. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up in just a little bit.